Sometimes patients need crowns, so we've gone ahead and prepared these teeth for crowns. This tooth had a root canal, so you can see how dark it is. We have blocked the crown in the inside so it will match perfectly. So we're going to go ahead and place them in.